I'm going to talk about the presentation of the case study, which is the Uniqlo, and my presentation is going to talk about the best decision is to temporarily suspend operation in Russia. The first thing is the problem identification. Uniqlo CEO Tadashi Yanai faces a difficult decision regarding the company's operation in Russia. The decision is about the continuing operation could harm Uniqlo reputation. Meanwhile, exit from the market will lead to the financial losses. And also, the conflict between ethical consideration and financial interest is a central issue. Okay, the decision have the consequences, which is the first one: continuing operation have the risk of reputational damage and having a potential legal repercussion and financial losses. Meanwhile, for the exit of the market, having a potential short-term financial losses but long-term protection of the brand reputation. The next thing is we need to understand the causes of the problem, which we have three root causes. The first one is geopolitical tension and international sanctions, which relate to the realism theoretical framework, which focus on the role of power, politics, national interest in international relations. And the geopolitical tension and sanction imposed on Russia directly impact the Uniqlo operations. The second thing is the ethical consideration and public perception, which relate to the normative ethics, which focus on the moral principle and values. Also, continuing operation in Russia could raise the ethical concerns and can lead to the negative public perception. And the third one is the potential legal risk, which relate to the international law theoretical, which because of why the violation of the international law can lead to the legal consequences, including sanction and trade restriction. And the next thing is in the making of the alternative solution, I have followed the design criteria, which is it resulting having a three alternative solution, which is the first one, continue operation with adjustment. Second, temporary suspension of operation, and the third one is complete withdrawal from the Russian market. But for now, I'm going to focus on the temporary suspension of the operation because this is the best among the others solutions. Which the pros is allow Uniqlo to reassess the situation without fully existing from the Russia market, and it's actually preserving the option to return when the condition of the Russia and Ukraine condition improve. And the cons is the may still incur financial losses due to the ongoing operational costs and potential asset depreciation. The reason why I choose the temporary suspending operation is it's aligned with the Uniqlo ethical principle and minimize the financial risk. This decision actually prioritize the employee welfare and long-term brand reputation. And also this solution will have two phases, which is for the first one, it's actually talking about the immediate response. The duration is about 1 until 4 week 4, and what things they need to do is the suspend operation immediately, which need to announce the decision to suspend operation in Russia. And second thing is the BOD must do the asset protection and inventory management to secure all the physical asset and develop a plan for the storage or disposal of inventory. And the third is to do the financial planning to assess the financial impact of the suspension. Meanwhile, for the phase 2 is actually to monitor and reassess, which involve the duration between 2 until 6 months. And the thing we need to do is the geopolitical monitoring to continuously monitor the geopolitical situation in Russia and Ukraine, and assess the potential risks, also the opportunity for the future operation. Second things it needs to do is the market analysis to analyze the regional market, economic condition, consumer behavior, and competitive landscape. And the third is to do the re-entry strategy if applicable, and develop the detailed re-entry strategy including market research analysis, store reopening plan, and etc. So for the justification is why I choose the solution, because it's related to the stakeholder theory, which prioritizing the interest of the all stakeholder including employee, consumer, and the broader community. Meanwhile, it having risk management, which is to mitigate the risks associated with the operating in volatile geopolitical environment, and also have ethical leadership, which demonstrating a commitment to ethical